We're here at the Jamaica Constabulary Forces Marine Division, where we're installing a 100 kVA standby diesel generator. We're about 65% through with this installation. We have rolled the generator into place. We've had the cable run between the generator and the automatic transfer switch. We've set up the electrical infrastructure in terms of breakers. What we really are left to do here is to switch the main power to pass through our changeover switch. And that way, that changeover switch now can select whether it's going to take power from JPS or generator. One thing that people don't know about this stage of the project is that it actually takes a long time. And it seems simple because the wires are run already. And so all we need to do is connect a few more wires, but that can actually take a whole day to get all the wires connected. What happens is that these wires are actually quite stiff and difficult to bend. They take a lot of force and take a lot of time if you want to do it neatly. So sometimes people underestimate how much work it takes to do electrical connections. Why is reliable power important to public safety and national resilience? So we all know that weeks ago we had an all-island power outage, and we've seen the effects of that. We've seen pumping stations go down, communication towers go down. So if you're affecting people's water supply, their communication, then that can become a national crisis. And that is why standby power is so important in Jamaica, especially where our grid can be unstable at times. So the police force has computer systems that need power so that they can coordinate their efforts. So if they are without power, it starts to limit their reach and their ability to keep law and order in the country. These generators can run continuously, I would say up to 10 days continuously, 24/7. I wouldn't go further than that because I would then recommend that a service is performed, change of oil and filters. And we've done this kind of service for clients who've had to run their generator consistently. Our greatest achievement when it comes to this project with the Jamaica Constabulary Force, I believe, is the relationship we have developed. This actually marks our 7th police station, and I think we have worked seamlessly with the police force in terms of communicating and organizing deliveries and access. And I think it has gone extremely smoothly, and that I am very proud of the logistics and the communication. Isratech has a long history of undertaking projects that can benefit the nation as a whole. And projects like this further to our reputation. Contributing to having power resiliency is of utmost importance for Isratech Energy Solutions, the division that I manage. And having uninterrupted power is paramount to public safety.